In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Tradingview chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, refreshing your charts to ensure the most up-to-date data is a crucial part of your trading routine. So let's dive right in and make sure you know all the ways to keep your charts in tip-top shape. First, you'll want to navigate to the Tradingview website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the chart section. You'll find this option on the website's main interface, and it's where most of your trading analysis will take place. Once there, you'll be greeted with your default chart layout. If you've got a specific chart in mind, go ahead and open that now. With your chart open, the next step is simply to click anywhere on the chart itself. This might sound trivial, but it's a good practice to ensure you're working with the chart you're intending to refresh. By clicking on it, you're essentially making it the active window within Tradingview, and this will allow you to execute the refresh commands effectively. Now, to refresh the chart data, you can use a very convenient keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and R simultaneously. This quick step will refetch the latest data from Tradingview's servers, making sure that you have the freshest information right at your fingertips. This shortcut is particularly useful if you're noticing any lag in data updates, or feel that your chart isn't reflecting real-time price changes. It's like giving your computer screen one of those refreshing stretches, bringing back life to static trading data. For those who prefer not using keyboard shortcuts, you have an alternative method. Simply locate the Reload button in your web browser, which is typically found beside the address bar. Clicking this Reload button tells your browser to refresh the entire web page, including all the elements like your chart. This method is a surefire way to update your whole trading interface, potentially resolving any connectivity hitches along the way. Equipped with these tips, you can easily refresh your Tradingview chart, ensuring you're always making decisions based on the most current market data. Whether you choose the quick Ctrl-R keyboard shortcut or prefer manually reloading through your browser's address bar, both methods are reliable in keeping your insights sharp and up to date. And there you have it. Refreshing your Tradingview chart can be done efficiently, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your market analysis. So next time you find yourself in need of refreshing those charts, remember this straightforward guide. Stick around for more trading tips and tricks, and as always, happy trading.